I'm done with the long exposure and the video with the Fuji X2S, and now I'm going to attempt to fly my drone. It's a little bit windy and I have two drones, the Mavic Mini 2 and I also have the Mavic 2 Pro. So I think I'm going to try to use the Mavic 2 Pro. And this is just, it's almost too beautiful for words, but I'll show you the video in just a little bit. So we're still here at Hraunfossar, which means lava waterfall. And I'm about to fly my Mavic 2 Pro. It's very windy, so I don't want to fly the Mini 3, so let's get to it. And by the way, before I was down there, and I didn't want to fly the drone from there because there's too many tourists. And it's not just that I don't want to attract the attention. Remember, safety is always number one. We want to be safe. All right, let me get my glasses on and let's do this. All right, we're gonna do a quick check here. So right, left, up, down, go left, go right, go forward, go back, and this seems to be good. I'm just going up and gimbal down, and I can see that my histogram is a little too low, so I think I'm going to increase the exposure. That looks good. Yeah. All right, I'm going to go to the left as I yaw to the right. So moving left, yawing to the right. Oh my God, look at all those little fosses there, all the waterfalls. This is amazing. Getting more, yawing. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Look at that. You know what? I'm thinking that I want a picture of that. So I'm gonna stop recording the video, switch to the pictures. Let's increase that exposure. And I'm taking a bracketed 3 pictures. So 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to fly forward. But as I fly forward, I'm gonna record me some video. That's what I'm saying. Alrighty, let's do this. I'm gonna go a little higher. Gimbal down. Look at that. Oh, wow, 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 wow. Even higher. We're getting more of this. I am at 300 and about 50 feet. I think that's plenty. I'm gonna gimbal up. Look at that river. Ain't that cool? Let me take a picture of that. Okay. Now I'm going to face the other way. I love it. And there you go. I'm going to move the gimbal down a little bit so we can see all the waterfalls. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm going to go back a little bit more. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Okay, time for another picture right there. So I'll stop recording the video, switch to the camera, and yeah, bring the gimbal up a tiny. And now let me back up a little bit more. And center this a little bit better. This is good. Take the picture, switch to video, and let's bring the drone back home. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Gimbal up a tiny as I go forward. And that's a thing of beauty. The drone is almost on top of us. I'm gonna stop recording. I'm gonna look up to make sure that indeed it is. And yeah, I see it right there. I'm gonna have it face the waterfalls. I'm gonna move it into place. Gimbal down. Oh, I love that. You know what? That deserves a still. That's what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna switch it back to video, and as I descend, I'm gonna be recording. I mean, I gotta bring it home anyway, right? So I might as well get some good video while I do that. So the drone is coming down, and very, very, very slowly, I'm moving the gimbal up. Not even much. So all the work is being done by my left hand. And there it is. You know what? I'm gonna yaw it a little bit to the right so that I get more of that fuss. That's what I'm talking about. And now back. I'm checking to make sure nobody is near us and that I can safely land the drone. Stop the recording. I forgot to do that before. But folks, this is a spectacular place. I highly recommend you come here.